Yeah.
How are you?
Well, not good because I can't get this vehicle to start.
Tell me what's going on.
All right, somebody tried to steal it. They broke the ignition. It's a 2002 Avalanche. All right, and they don't got a chip in the key. Anyway, we put an ignition in it, and it starts and dies. Starts and dies. If you touch the gas pedal, it won't even start.
Okay.
And that light, the strip light on the dash keeps flashing.
Okay. You said somebody they damaged the ignition lock cylinder, or what happened?
They just drove a screwdriver in where the key goes and busted it.
Okay.
I mean, they didn't go get it anywhere, but you know what I mean. And we replaced that, no problem. Put everything back together. And if you listen, this is what it does. Okay. Now this is without touching the gas pedal. Every time, that's what it does.
Yeah, I understand. So let me ask you this: did you do the relearn procedure?
The what?
It's called the relearn procedure.
No, that's what I called you for.
So what you're going to do, if you replace the ignition lock cylinder with a new pass lock sensor, you need to perform what they call the 30-minute relearn procedure. Okay, so this is done anytime either the BCM loses memory for whatever reason, or if you replace that ignition lock cylinder, or any reason that the BCM would lose communication with that pass lock sensor. Anyway, what you would do is you put the key in the ignition, you turn the key on, you attempt to start it, and it's going to start and stall, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to release the key. You'll start it, release the key, and then it'll bounce back to the run position, and then the engine will stall out. And then I want you to leave the key on for 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn the key off, and you're going to turn the key back on for another. Don't start it. Just turn it on to the run position for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, turn it back off, and then turn it back on one more time for another 10 minutes for a total of 30 minutes. And that would be the 30-minute relearn procedure that you can do without a scan tool. And that should relearn the body control module or the pass lock sensor value in the body control module. And that should allow it to start and run, provided there's nothing else wrong with the vehicle.
I'm just fine before we try to throw that screwdriver in there.
No, I hear you. Well, you replaced the lock cylinder, so that's why. I'm sure it was fine before this happened.
Well, yeah, everything was great, you know.
Right.
Nowadays, they got brains.
That's right. So, yeah, go ahead and do that ignition lock or the relearn procedure. Now, you may need to do this procedure several times in order for the relearn procedure to work. Now, if you turn the key on, or you try to start it and then release the key and it starts and stalls after, like, let's just say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, if the security light goes off, you might be able to start it right away. That's been my experience. As soon as the security light goes off, I would attempt to start it, and boom, it would start and run every time.
Okay.
But if the problem remains and you tried it 4, 5, 6, 7 times and it doesn't relearn, either there's a wiring issue between the BCM and the pass lock sensor, or there's a problem with that body control module. But try the relearn procedure first. That would be the simplest, most cost-effective fix in this case.
Anyway, I will definitely try that. I really appreciate it.
All right, sounds good. You bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.